Skitmaker, our friend Bae U, he has been accused of demanding sex or sexual relations from ladies before featuring them in his comedy skits. Yes, just comedy skits. So if you don't know him, that's him on your screen. Now, popular Instagram skit maker Adebayo Redwan, better known as Mzbel U or Bae U, has been called out for allegedly demanding for sex from women before featuring them in his comedy skits. It was earlier reported that a lady took to Twitter to narrate how the comedian caused a huge fight between her and her ex-boyfriend after he lured her into having sex with him. Now, other victims have also spoken up with receipts of their chats with the comedian. It is alleged that Bae U requests for sex for Rose, and any woman who refuses to sleep with him will be denied the rose. So on your screen you can see some of the screenshots from these victims talking about Bae U having a girlfriend in Lagos but then still going after girls for sex. And so that's a chat between one lady and Bae U. No pedo or feature or Bae U in a comedy skit neighbor. And this is not even a movie. Like, this is not a movie. Skit comedy skits are all last for how long? 5 minutes, while Kosura maybe 10 minutes. And well, for bringing I will crackers. So these are all allegations. We are yet to hear anything official from authorities or so a logic complaint or say Bae U nan kasa out about refute claims no so we accept to on the day we live to see.